just got dental treatment. Nivea strawberry flavor. Let's unbox it. Hear the sound. It's moving. How can I take her out? Her because she's a girl for sure. I'm a girl. Okay. Let's just cut it. Nivea. Okay. Still not going to open it. From there. Improve formula. Okay. It's still not opening. Look. Okay. That's working. Ooh. I can smell it like strawberries. Ooh. There is a note. Okay, I can read it. Recycling, plastic to plastic, stick to plastic, paper to carbon. Okay. And here we come out. Never. Okay, it's packed. Okay, it's come out. Look at this, so beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, I'm in love. Nivea Strawberry Shine. Caring lip balm. It's not a lip gloss, but I can use as a lip gloss. Because that's my habit. It's gonna blur again. Here's the expiry date. 2026 तक 2023 to 2026. Okay. Buy तो 2025 में किया. Who cares? I care a lot. Oh, it's like that. Okay. Strawberries. Oh. It's tinting. It's pink tint. I don't taste it. It's like it smells, make me feel like I'm eating strawberry jelly candies. Smells so good. It's my new favorite now. So pretty. Okay, its price is 250. It's looks quite expensive too for me, like I'm a middle class person, but I think it's nice. 250. And here we go. Nivea. to take what is it called? Thumbnail. I have to hide this pimple mark. It's not a pimple, it's a mark. How long it's gonna stay here? Around 5-6 months? Why? Whatever. Who cares? I care a lot. No, cry. Bye. Oh my god, it's so funny. See you in my next unboxing of anything.